Today we've got a 2009 Ford Fiesta. It's the 1.2 Zetec and it's got 52,000 miles on it. So as part of the service on this one, I'm going to be changing the air filter. It's quite easy to locate on this engine. Got the inlet manifold here and the trunking here coming up to the filter housing. Torx 30 screws on this one. Yeah, I don't think these screws come right out, so shouldn't be dropping one and losing them. As you can see, that's quite mucky compared with the new one. Right, so before I put the new filter in, I just want to make sure there's no debris down there. There's a sponge filter here, which it's like a separator for the emissions. As you can see, that's a little bit mucky, so I'm just going to give that a little clean off. Alright, that's better. Sometimes you do find leaves and all kinds of muck down in there, but that looks pretty clean. So I'll go ahead, pop the new filter in. Try not to leave too many greasy fingerprints all over it. There we go. That was a nice, straightforward and easy one to change. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully the video's been of some help for you. And if it has, please consider hitting like and subscribe. It will help our channel out no end. Cheers.